Futures trading involves a substantial risk of loss and may not be suitable for all investors. Therefore, carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your financial condition.
So checking on the precious metals overnight here, it's really a sea of red across the screen. The leadership group is really giving back just a bit here this morning. That's your silver, your copper, your platinum, all pulling back after yesterday's blistering session. So you look at the silver market, down about 2% here, pulling back after tagging yesterday's $90.10. $86 I anticipate is probably a tight stop zone for those people that were entering on that type of breakout. And then the line in the sand here, I think in the looser stops are going to be right around that $84. You really don't want to see futures give that back up here because we could be testing that whole number back down near $80. Now the gold market, it is the relative outperformer this morning here, sitting just above yesterday's kind of close here right at that 4,700 mark, closed at 46.98, futures at 47.04. The setup on the gold market is really looking at these yields. So you look at 10-year treasury yields up at about 4.5%. That's kind of an alarm bell here that goes off for a lot of politicians and the Treasury Department and mortgage lending, and it tends to fuel a type of crisis type panic. Now you look at the ETF flows, they added about 67,000 troy ounces of gold in the previous trading session. The fourth straight day of growth could be some institutional bid kind of quietly building a position under that gold market even as the price stalls. What's interesting to note is that the gold silver ratio sitting at 53-1 and really compressing from earlier this week, even with the silver market pulling back here. Copper futures pulling back after that breakthrough high here. We outlined a lot of key levels in there. That $6 we were, if you've been following the metals minute, when it pulled back to about that 580 level, looking at some positions right around that level, looking to let some of those go near that $6 range, looking at that 620 to 625 as your next level of resistance. Futures then pulled back from that level down to 609 after breaking through 625. We said we wanted to see a close over that 625 level, targeting 638, 650, 668 to 672. All these levels have been met. You get the platinum market here pulling back about half of yesterday's movement higher here. You really want to watch 2116. That was the intraday low yesterday. So if you haven't gotten the precious metals chart back, it's real easy. This gives you some of the trend lines, the breakout levels, and the entry zones, some of the stops, some of the targets across gold, silver, copper, and platinum. And if you've been sitting on the sidelines, it's a great way to get you kind of back into the game here